This could be the car for you. The 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, fog lamps, satellite radio, V6 cylinder engine. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.